So welcome to Need for Speed Payback Free Roam for the first time ever. How freaking cool is this? Anyways, I had some ideas of some things I wanted to do. So the first thing that I want to do in Need for Speed Payback is we are going to do a little bit of a drag racing challenge. What we're going to do is we're all going to go into the garage, or we'll maybe buy a drag car, buy whatever car you think is going to be the fastest drag car in all of Need for Speed Payback. That is your job. After that, return back out here and show off your car. Then we'll do some drag racing and see what else we got to do. We all know that the Volkswagen Beetle is the fastest drag car. But I'm not going to use the Beetle because I want to be more interesting than that. Let's see what we got. I kind of want to use something kind of slower and build it up to be faster. Porsche RSR. I could do an RSR and make it all wide body and stuff. I mean, that'd be pretty cool. Maybe we take this. Yeah. Corvette. Yeah. Let's go with a Corvette. I mean, we're drag racing. We should be in an American car. Let's do that. Can we build it up to a 1,000 horsepower Chevy Corvette? Because that'd be pretty dope. There's like, oh my god, what is going on back here? There's a Lamborghini Huracan mixed with a Porsche 918. Oh. And a Dodge Viper is also in there. I mean, if they were the same color, that would actually be a pretty cool looking car. I pulled a Raymond. No, I'm not going to end up in a ditch and drag racing. I can promise you that I won't do that. So, we need to make this thing look hella cool. Oh my god, that looks... It's like grinning and like smiling with a lot of teeth. I forgot about all the cool customization you could do in here. Alright, I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really know, like, what direction I'm trying to take this car in. I'm just doing strange things to it and, I mean, sort of hoping that it looks nice in the end. Oh, I love the blacked out taillights. Like, more games you should be able to do that. I'm just saying. Alright, sound system's useless. Just take those out of the game. Holy shit balls! Who actually goes, that looks really nice, and then pays actual money for it? This thing looks pretty cool. I've not built a Corvette in this game yet. This looks pretty goddamn good. Performance customization. Okay, so there is a new thing in this that you can buy, like, speed up packs or quick packs or boost packs or something like that. I have to go to the shop for that, says DJ. All right, let me go to the shop. Catch-up packs. There we go. We can be level 6, level 11, or level 16. Like, it just gives us level 16 stock parts. I'm just saying, I wish it went to level 18 because that's still not fast enough and we still need to spend a stupid amount of our spinny things for parts. Like, look, if I want this car to be competitive, I still need to come in here and be like, oh, my blah 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 is level 16. So then I come in here and hope I get a better one. This is the part of the game that pisses me off to no end. Alright, look at us, boys. Oh shit, look at this. Look at it. Everyone's already waiting for me. You guys are... Alright, there's holes in that Mustang. Don't pay attention to that Mustang. Alright, that's pretty cool. Can you stop? Oh, I pressed the wrong button. That's hella dope. Look at that. That's pretty cool. This is a cool game. Yeah, that Mustang definitely has some pretty big holes in it. The McLaren also just keeps going forwards and backwards. So, we've built our drag cars, but problem with Need for Speed is, when you're online, you can't actually, like, start a race. There's also no drag race in this game. So we're just gonna do our own to the end of the drag strip. Watch out for obstacles in the way, because that's a thing. So, basically, we're gonna go from this line all the way to the end, and, we're gonna honk. That's the wrong button. There we go. That's my honk noise. So I'm gonna honk 3 times. I'm gonna go like this. Honk, 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 and then we're all gonna go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, shit! That's a pretty sick start! Oh, I'm just saying, I built the best drag car. Holy shit, the McLaren! The McLaren is so fast, 300 kilometers an hour. Oh, obstacles! Second. Pretty good. I mean, first to the losers, but pretty good. That was pretty cool. All right, let's go all the way back. Let's try it again. Wait, how do I turn my engine off? Is it? What button is it? Hold every ah! My car's definitely the coolest. I don't know why you decided to stick AR-12 stickers on a pink Mustang. But you do you, buddy. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, the McLaren's off. It is so difficult to start races in this fairly. But, I mean, this Corvette is insane. Oh, we're gaining on the Mustang. Oh, plane in the way. Whose idea was it to leave a fucking plane in the middle of the runway? Ah! Someone says tune my car. That's a good idea. Gearing. Steering sensitivity. That doesn't do anything. Let's get nitrous. Let's get duration nitrous. Gears. Let's get more top speed. No, we don't actually hit our top speed. So let's go acceleration. Alright, that should be good. God damn it, Rav. Holy shit, he's got wheelie bars and everything. Holy, there's actually nothing on the back of this car. It is just a bunch of holes. Alright, you guys ready for round 3? Fastest drag cars in the game? Not really, because no one brought a Beetle. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Mustang uses them wheelie bars. Keep my power nitrous, or my duration nitrous. Bro, who's going the wrong way down the drag strip? Alright, I've been sabotaged again, boys. I've been sabotaged again. Like, how does this always happen to me? Look at all the lights, though, flying in the air. That looks pretty cool. I like my nitrous, too. My nitrous looks pretty freaking awesome. All right, are we ready to go? Everyone's lined up? No one's going to come the opposite direction this time? Okay, cool. Rev your cars up, boys. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, wow, they all got very quick launches. That McLaren is fast. Oh, my God, the Mustang. Look at my Corvette. That's some VTEC there, buddy. Too soon, Junior! Don't hit the plane! Oh, that's a close finish! That is a really, really close finish. That was like a 3-way tie. He's got minuscule tires. What do you call that, bro? You clearly skipped arm day. You're like this, bro. You're like a freaking little dinosaur with your little T-Rex on there. You ready to go? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the Mustang doesn't get as fast as start that time. Holy shit, he's so quick, though. His, like, 0 to 300 time is very, very quick. But then he, like, just lacks the top speed. And the McLaren changed cars. Oh, the Mustang just takes it. I thought a 1,000 horsepower Corvette would be able to beat a 1960s Mustang. I'm just saying. I understand it has upgrades and stuff. But it's like... It's a 1,000 horsepower Corvette. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, well, every single person, I think, jumped the start there. I think someone else honked. Oh my God, there's the Mustang. The Mustang stopped when he figured out, oh, the Mustang pulled a Mustang move. All right, we can't finish on that. We need to do one more, boys. We need to do one more. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, no one else went. Can we have proper races in Need for Speed Payback Online free roam? Like, yeah, it's a good start having free roam, but there's definitely some room for improvement. Like, for instance, a drag race. And on that note, that's gonna do it for online drag racing in this game. So, today we learned the fastest drag car is